Here's another great reason you want to work with Concierge. Here's one of our success stories. Julia, who's a seller in Oakland, she writes, "The thing that was the most daunting for me about selling the home was how would I get it to market, based on being retired and have a limited income." And that's where Compass Concierge service was absolutely remarkable. Now, this particular success story, the house is on the market for 12 days. And remember, we cover services such as floor repair, carpet cleaning, staging, deep cleaning, decluttering, cosmetic renovations, landscaping, interior and exterior painting, HVAC, roofing repair, moving and storage, pest control, and custom closet work, fencing, electrical work, and cellar site inspections and evaluations, kitchen improvements, bathroom improvements, pool and tennis court services, water heating and plumbing repair, sewer, lateral inspections and remediation, and there's more than 100 other home improvement services. Do check us out. We're online and we're easy to find. The contact information is inside the description of this video. Ask for Carlos Rodriguez. You can always find him right here at Compass at 925-302-9411.